Hello friends, I am Shaila Jain, Assistant Professor at B.Pharmacy College, Saga. I am really privileged to discuss this very interesting topic of B.Pharm entitled as Operative Management, which is scripted by Dr. Yashwant Gupta, Group Leader at Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, Nasik. Friends, this lecture is divided into several modules presenting the various concepts of operative management like personnel, materials, production, financial, marketing, morale, coordination, communication and motivation. So let's begin our episode with the very first module, that is operative management. Module 1, Operative Management. Operative management is a systematic direction, control and evaluation of the entire range of processes that transform inputs into finished goods or services. Personnel management. Personnel management is a distinctive part of management and is concerned with people at work and their relationship within the enterprise. The men and women who staff the enterprise, enabling each to make his or her own best contribution to its success, both as an individual and as a member of a working group. Here are some silent features of personnel management. It is a staff function. It is an instrument to attain the established objective of the organization. It is the basic function of management. Now, we'll see what are the aims and objectives of personnel management, like recruitment of labor force, arrangement for employee training, job description, analysis and evaluation, arrangement of personnel welfare. Now, we'll discuss the functions of personnel department. The following figure represents the various functions of personnel department. Material management. Every manufacturing enterprise requires raw material and semi-finished goods as input for obtaining the product desired. Material management is a fundamental tool of the business. It is the science that deals with the raw material procurement, obtaining machine and equipment which are necessary for the production process. Objective of material management. It helps in procuring the best quality item and minimizes the storage and stock control. It leads to minimizing waste and economy, thereby leading to high productivity. Functions of material management. Following are the functions of material management, like maintaining store and stock level, receiving and issuing of materials, transportation and material handling, disposal of scrap and surplus material. Importance of material management. Continuity in the production process, continuous monitoring on the input cost, optimum uses of material and machinery, and the production of quality goods. Production management. Production management comprises the creation of the utility. Production is the process of transforming raw materials into finished goods for sales. It involves planning and organizing the production process. Importance of production management: customer services, increased productivity, production and employment stabilities, and uninterrupted material flow. So with this, we have ended Module 1, and the next module shows the importance of financial management. Module 2, Financial Management. Financial management is related to the finance function. It acts as a guidance where more opportunities for investment are available. Aims of financial management. The aims of financial management are to manage financial aspects related to the firm, proprietors, employees, and consumers. The financial management aims maximization of a firm's value. The following aspect maximizes firm's value: rise in profits, reduction in cost, sources of funds, reduce risk, and long-run value. Scope and functions of financial management: liquidity, cost control, pricing, forecasting of future profits, and measuring the capital cost. Marketing management. Marketing of pharmaceutical or fine chemicals and raw materials related to the production of medicine is known as pharmaceutical marketing. Objectives and importance of pharmaceutical marketing: to provide guiding policies for marketing of drugs, to enable successful distribution of drugs, to analyze the shortcomings in the existing pattern of pharmaceutical marketing. Pharmaceutical marketing process involves procurement, storage, and distribution of pharmaceutical goods. The pharmaceutical marketing also encompasses function of data maintenance. Module 3, Morale. It is a group concept describing the level of confidence of employee group to achieve success. It shows the collective attitude of employees towards the job, company, working conditions, and job satisfaction. Basically, morale describes a positive or negative response of employees or group of employees towards various aspects of the job. Morale directly related to the success rate of company or employee. The high morale means positive working attitude, while low morale describes a negative working attitude amongst the employee of an organization. There are various factors which influence morale, such as employee satisfaction, company growth, and working environment. As per pharmaceutical organization, concern morale may be of two types. Number 1, person-oriented morale. The employee focuses to achieve personal goal irrespective of the organization's objectives. Organizational morale. The group of employees collectively focuses on to achieve organizational goals irrespective of personal benefits. There are various factors which help to maintain high morale, that is positive attitude, in a working group. Like number 1, all employees must be having common goals. Number 2, the objective should be considered worthwhile. Number 3, the employee must be motivated by a proud feeling of success. Point number 4, a company should focus on the wellness of employees. Now friends, before proceeding to our next module, that is Principles of Management, I would like to suggest you to visit our website www.cec.nic.in for further reading and learning of more topics associated with your B.Pharm syllabus. Here you will find many lectures, e-content, FAQs, LORs and many more. I hope this website will be a catalyst of learning for you. Module 4, Principles of Management. Number 1, Coordination. Coordination is the orderly arrangement of a group effort to provide utility of action to achieve a common goal. Coordination works as bridge amongst the employee of an organization. The coordination also helps in official communication amongst various departments. Types of coordination. Number 1, internal coordination. This involves coordination amongst the employee of the pharmaceutical industry. Number 2, external coordination. The external coordination means coordination between organizational employees with the outer persons. Advantage of coordination: increase efficiency, improve the morale, develops and retain good personnel. Communication. Communication is to show or to spread information. It is an inter-exchange thoughts and information. Features of communication: it is two-way traffic, continuous process, short period process, process of conveying message. The steps of communication process: sender, ideas, encoding, channel, receiver, decoding and the feedback. Module 5, Decision Making. In the pharmaceutical business, making effective decisions is very essential for achieving business goals. Decision making in pharmaceutical business require consideration of following points: advantages and disadvantages, risk and uncertainty. A decision should be able to convince all related persons who are affected by a decision and take into account their views. Understand that all have prejudices and biases that impact decision making. Problems of pharmaceutical business become complicated when there is involvement of high degree of risk and uncertainty, along with insufficient information regarding the problem. This type of complicated problem seeks complex procedure of decision making, which involve consideration of all associated factors of decision making. Decision making at operational level involves practicing to solve the question how it must be done. Decision making in pharmaceutical business at operational level also involves evaluation of previous documented proof of regular problem solving decision making process. The strategic operational decision making involve following steps: problem consideration, collection of informations, visualizing possible solution, making best possible decision, and monitoring and evaluation of decision results. Motivation. Motivation plays an important role to achieve business goal in the pharmaceutical industry. Motivation acts as inherent tool which boost working efficiency and enhance productivity indirectly. Generally, there are three types of motivation, like number 1, achievement motivation, number 2, affiliation motivation, number 3, power motivation. The pharmaceutical management require external as well as internal motivation. External motivation comes through the hierarchy, while internal motivation means self-motivation, that is, the realization of achievement. Success facts is the biggest internal motivation and act as self-motivated. Appropriate action, if rewarded properly, then motivation generated as follows. Methods of motivation. A. Monetary motivation, which includes personal, that is, different financial incentive to individual workforce. Number 2, group participation in management, which includes profit sharing plan, pensions, dividends and bonus. B. Non-monetary motivation includes personal, group and organizational. Leadership. Leadership is a personal quality of character and behavior in man which enables him to exert internal personal influence. Functions of leader: to represent the organization and its mission, to administer the undertaking, to work for healthy and progressive growth of the organization. Qualities of leader: number 1, physical qualities, number 2, psychological qualities, number 3, intellectual qualities, and the last one, character qualities. So friends, Here I would like to summarize this topic. Operative management refers to the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. Operative management is concerned with converting material and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible to maximize the profit of an organization. The following major area covered under the study: personnel, materials, production, financial, marketing, time or space, margin or morale, coordination, communication, motivation, decision making and leadership. So friends, it was good interacting with you all. Thank you.